So this is a spondylolisthesis L4 vertebra. So this is L5. I'm going to step up to L4. Raise the table up. Again, we're going to apply straight down pressure. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
She makes side effects, but sound effects, excuse me, but this really is not a painful adjustment.
I was just okay.
This is a real adjustment.
Sorry.
Take 7. And now we're going to get you on your side facing that way.
Okay. I didn't even feel it except that like your finger went through my belly button.
Okay, so we're going to edit that out.
Yeah.
I like that.
Bend
Oh,
this leg, straighten this leg. On the
I need a bed like this.
You have one.
Okay, I'm quiet.
Does this cause any pain on that?
Yes.
It does, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So she would be somebody that, remember, we used to put you in side posture and adjust it and it felt better. Okay, we can't do that anymore. 2 reasons. It showed up arthritis in your low back and that low part, so it's been wearing for a while, which you do.
Yeah.
But it's also probably pulling that L4 vertebra farther forward. Which is also, so, let's go and finish adjusting. We'll get your leg face up.